Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this cute braided elastics hairstyle. So I started off by spraying her hair with the spray bottle. And then I'm just making sure her hair is all nice and detangled. And now I'm going to create a middle part using the tip of her nose as my guide. And because her hair is drying up, I'm just going to moisturize her hair with the spray bottle and then make sure her hair is all nice and detangled. And then I am creating another part using her ear as my guide. And now I'm going to add some flaxseed gel to her edges. So now I'm going to be creating 3 vertical parts, trying my best to keep them all the same size. So after I've created my first part, I'm going to put an elastic in it, trying to get that elastic as close to that line as possible. And now I'm just going to create another part, and then I'm just going to do the exact same thing, make sure her hair is all nice and detangled. And then I'm just going to get that elastic in there, trying my best to get it on that line, and also try your best to get it in the middle of that part. And then again, you're going to follow the same steps on this last part. So now we're going to work at the back here, and what I'm doing is I'm just going to create another part, and I'm using that part as my guide. So now I'm just going to take the ponytails and moisturize it with the spray bottle, and then I'm going to take a ponytail, make sure it's all detangled, and then I'm going to put a braid in each ponytail. And you want to make sure that each ponytail is detangled before you get that braid in there, just because it makes the braid nice and smooth. It makes it look cleaner. And when that's finished, I'm going to grab my flaxseed gel and I'm going to put it on her edges. I'm just using my soft bristle brush just to smooth out her edges before I get that elastic in. And then what I'm doing is I'm just taking those braids and I'm combining it with that hair, and then I'm putting the elastic in. Now I'm going to take one of the parts at the back and I'm going to create those same 3 parts with the ponytails in it, and then I'm going to create the braids and the ponytail at the back. And I should mention that the ponytails at the back are on the opposite side of the ponytails at the front. I know you probably noticed that, but I just wanted to mention just in case. And now that I've finished the style, I just took some of the flaxseed gel and I'm just going to put it on her edges just to clean them up a bit. So my friends, there you have it, another cute hairstyle you can do in your little one's hair. I realized after doing this style that I did something similar, and I'll leave a link in the description box for that video so you can check that out if you want to do that in your little one's hair. But anyways, friends, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hair tutorials. We love you, friends. Bye.